first thing we're going to do is strip down and fix the frame on this 55 project. The inside of the frame rails were not fully boxed. We went ahead and took this opportunity to fully strengthen it by cutting out some new frame strengthening pieces on our Alpha laser. After the frame is straightened out, we're going to go ahead and set the body back on and the bed, gap all the doors, fenders, and hood to make sure everything is fitting as it should. Once all that bodywork has been completed, it could be disassembled and be shipped off to paint. The fenders on our 55 Chevy project had side exhaust cutouts. That's not going to be suitable for our project, so we're going to go ahead and weld those shut.
When they cut the exhaust out to run it through the fender, they use a cut wheel, chop this thing up so they put a cover panel on to make it look pretty. This is all Bondo here, so we have to take this down to bare metal, and then we got this patch panel. We're going to trace that out to match the hole, then we're going to flush mount it, weld it up, sand it down. You'll never even know it was there.
The suspension geometry on our 55 Chevy project was not set up correctly. We went ahead and made some adjustments on the four-link, airbags, and shocks so that they're all in the correct location. So now that the frame and body are up to standard on the Legacy build, we're going to go ahead and break everything down, load up all of our parts on our Peckway trailer, strap them down with US cargo control straps, and haul it up to Hometown Collision.
My name is Matt Rossmus, owner here at Hometown Collision in Evansburg, Pennsylvania. I opened my first shop about 3 years ago. I decided to take the plunge from working from somebody else and tried to make a move out on my own, so here I am. Today, Kenny and his crew came rolling in their Dodge, pulling the 55 Chevy pickup on the back of the trailer. It's a sight to see, that big truck coming in here with all that stuff on it, so that was kind of neat. We're gonna get it in here, we're gonna do the body work on it, make sure everything's nice and straight and flat, throw on a nice two-tone paint job, smooth out the frame some, lay down some base coat on there, get it back together for him. I think what sets us apart here is when a car comes in and it goes out the door, the attention to detail that we put into it makes the car look as nice 2 inches away as it does standing 20 feet away. What sets Hauk machines apart on the builds that I see on their TV shows is how they can take so many different industrial items from all over and combine them into one vehicle and have it be functional and look so good in such a short time frame. Just is unreal. We got the 55 here. We don't have a lot of time to get it done, so I think we're gonna get cracking and get this thing rolling.